Are you sitting somewhere right now, maybe in Pakistan, maybe anywhere in the world, wondering how people are actually making real money online without any degree, without any special skills, and without spending a single rupee? I was in that exact position not long ago. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to start AI freelance writing from absolute zero. No experience, no portfolio, no connections needed. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you a trick in the final section that most beginners completely skip, and it is the reason why some people start earning in their first week while others wait months. Before we get into it, comment right now and tell me, have you ever tried freelancing before? Yes or no? I read every single comment and I want to know where you are starting from. Let's get into it. First, let me explain what AI freelance writing actually is, because a lot of people misunderstand this. Freelance writing means businesses and individuals pay you to write content for them. This includes blog posts, website pages, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, and YouTube scripts. Now here is where AI changes everything. In the past, writing 1,000 words took hours of research and typing. Today, with tools like ChatGPT and Claude, you can produce a high-quality first draft in under 5 minutes. Your job is not to write from scratch anymore. Your job is to give the AI the right instructions, review what it produces, add your own human touch, and deliver the final result to your client. That is the entire skill. Prompting, editing, and delivering. Nothing more. Now let me tell you why this is one of the best opportunities available right now in 2025. Businesses need content more than ever before. Every company with a website needs blog posts for Google. Every brand on Instagram needs captions. Every e-commerce store needs product descriptions. But most business owners do not have time to write this content themselves, so they pay someone else to do it. And with AI tools, you can do the work of 10 writers in the time it used to take one. That is your advantage. The earning potential is real. Beginners on Fiverr charge between $10 and $30 per article. Intermediate writers charge $50 to $150. Experienced writers with good reviews charge $200 to $500 per piece. And some specialist writers in niches like finance, technology, and health charge over $1,000 for a single long-form article. You are starting at the beginner level, but the ceiling is very high. Step 1 is choosing your writing niche. This is the most important decision you will make, and most beginners get it wrong. They try to write about everything: travel, food, fitness, business, and they end up being known for nothing. You need to pick one specific niche and become the go-to writer for that topic. The best niches for AI freelance writing right now are technology and AI, personal finance and investing, health and wellness, digital marketing, and software reviews. I personally recommend technology and AI for anyone watching this channel. Why? Because you are already learning about AI every day by watching videos like this one. You already have more knowledge than most people. Use that. Position yourself as a technology and AI writer from day one. Step 2 is setting up your free Fiverr account. Go to fiverr.com and create a free account using your email or Google account. No card required, completely free. Once you are inside, click on your profile and fill in every single section. Add a professional profile photo. This can be a simple photo of yourself or even a professional-looking avatar created with Canva. Write a bio that says something like, "I am a technology and AI content writer helping businesses explain complex topics in simple everyday language. I deliver SEO-optimized blog posts, articles, and website content using the latest research and AI-assisted writing tools. Fast delivery, unlimited revisions, and professional quality guaranteed." This kind of bio immediately tells clients exactly what you do and why they should hire you. Step 3 is creating your first gig. A gig is your service listing on Fiverr. Click Create a new gig and fill it in as follows. For your gig title, write something like, "I will write an SEO-optimized AI technology blog post or article." For your category, select writing and translation, then subcategory articles and blog posts. For your pricing, start with 3 packages. Basic package at $10 for a 500-word article with 3-day delivery. Standard package at $25 for a 1,000-word article with 2-day delivery. Premium package at $50 for a 2,000-word article with 1-day delivery. For your gig description, explain what the client gets, how you research their topic, how you ensure the content is original and human-sounding, and that you offer free revisions. For tags, use keywords like blog writing, AI content, SEO article, technology writer, content writing. Step 4 is the part most people skip, and this is the trick I promised you at the beginning. Before your first client ever finds you, you need something called social proof. Social proof means reviews, samples, and evidence that you can actually do the work. Here is how you get it for free on day 1. Go to ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to write a 1,000-word blog post about any technology topic. For example, write a blog post about how small businesses can use AI to save time. Then read it carefully, edit it, add your own examples, make it sound natural and conversational. Now you have a writing sample. Save it as a PDF. Upload it to your Fiverr gig as a portfolio sample. This shows potential clients the quality of your work before they even message you. Most beginners create a Fiverr account with 0 samples and wonder why nobody orders. Do not make that mistake. Step 5 is getting your first order. This is where most people give up because they create the gig and wait. Do not wait. Be proactive. Fiverr has a section called buyer requests where clients post what they need. Check this section every single day and send personalized offers. When you send an offer, do not copy and paste the same message to everyone. Read what the client needs and write a short personal response. Something like, "Hi, I noticed you need a blog post about cryptocurrency for beginners. I specialize in making complex financial and technology topics easy to understand. I can deliver a fully researched, engaging, and SEO-optimized 1,000-word article within 24 hours. Here is a sample of my previous work. I am offering this at a special introductory rate, and I guarantee you will be satisfied, or I will revise it for free." This kind of personal message converts at a much higher rate than generic copy-paste responses. Step 6 is delivering the work and getting your first review. Once you get your first order, treat it like the most important job of your life. Use ChatGPT or Claude to generate the first draft. Then spend 20 to 30 minutes editing it. Add specific examples. Make sure it flows naturally. Check it with a free tool called Grammarly to fix any grammar mistakes. Deliver it before the deadline. Then at the end of your delivery message, write, "Thank you so much for trusting me with this project. If you are happy with the result, I would really appreciate a review, as I am just building my profile. Your feedback means everything to me." Most happy clients will leave you a 5-star review when you ask politely like this. That first review changes everything. It gives you credibility. It makes the next client more likely to order. And it starts building your reputation on the platform. Step 7 is scaling your income. Once you have 5 to 10 reviews, increase your prices. Move your basic package from $10 to $20. Your standard from $25 to $50. Your premium from $50 to $100. Clients who look at your profile will see good reviews and will happily pay the higher price. Repeat this process every time you reach a new milestone. 10 reviews, increase prices. 25 reviews, increase again. 50 reviews, you are now earning what most office jobs in Pakistan pay, but from your laptop, on your own schedule, with no boss. There is one more thing I want to leave you with. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is waiting until they feel ready. They think they need to take a course, get a certificate, or have years of experience before they start. You do not. The skills you need are already available for free: AI tools, Fiverr, and 30 minutes a day. The only thing standing between you and your first dollar online is starting. So here is your homework for today. Go to Fiverr right now, create your free account, and set up your first gig using everything I just showed you. It takes less than 1 hour. And if you do it, come back and comment below, "I did it, I want to celebrate with you." If this video helped you, subscribe right now because I post one new AI money strategy every single day. Your next video is already on screen. Watch it next and let's keep building together.